When Olivia Morris met Bradley Blizzard, she didn't believe that was his real last name. Uh-huh. She said, I didn't believe it. I thought it was a joke, she said. But the two got more serious, she started to embrace the idea of becoming Mrs. Blizzard. Yeah. As soon as the couple got engaged and Morris realized that was about to become a blizzard, she took to TikTok to ask Dairy Queen if they wanted to be a part of their wedding. And the company response, I do.